small talk. Weather, travel, hobbies, food, sport, etc. So, it doesn't matter if it's a formal business event or you're at a party with friends, it's small talk that is very important, okay? After the meeting, after the event, when you're at the dinner table or you're with someone at the bar, you need to make conversation. It's natural and it's instinctive, okay? Verb tenses, grammar. Oh, so boring, Natalie. Yes, grammar can be sometimes boring, but that's why we have a 30-day module with a variation of different stimulating, exciting videos with real spoken English and real life situations, role plays, and this module with grammar. Because it can be boring, but I try to make it a bit more fun. Win over, to gain someone's support or approval. The presentation helped win over the skeptical client. At the airport. Oh, exciting! We're on holiday, guys! Good morning. Where are you flying today? To Barcelona. Barcelona.